What is quality of life insurance? Quality of life insurance is an insurance policy with a rider or add-on that allows you to use some or all of your life insurance benefits early in the event of an accident, illness, or other medical condition. With quality of life insurance, your benefits can be used for things like adult daycare or modifications to your home. Use of accelerated death benefits is unrestricted. If you suffer from a debilitating illness or accident, this type of insurance will make it easier to carry on with day-to-day tasks. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.